Mestre, the central business district area, let us look at the management of the place. Ebra, this policy nearby, ye move to that policy no. Assembly members and a co-assembly. A co-G2 say, and yadia, a PRAGYA about the central business district. A idea, a cotia, the new patriotic party, papa. But no credit say, an NDC for buy, on Beja to say, sad decision that we took was in the best interest of the district, the central business district. And you know, if you look at the number of tricycles we have on our roads, coming from Subin into the central business district, coming from Bantima into the central business district, coming from Nhyira into the central business district, if you don't control it, the place is already choked. It's from Masawasan to Sabi Rem. It's enough from Nhyira to Sabi Rem. See, young control business districts no would carry hold mountain P. A yen musem. But I say, maybe a terminal and Kofubidi politics, a benefiting from that politics are and they. As I saying, you come on Kofubi, say, and I'm saying, yes, sure, mobile, as a mobile, but more women, Saban for Abadia, they think, say, almost statisa, didn't know a idea a bit me pushy the government to let them in. But I'm saying, say, assembly members, they are apolitical.
Okay.
They don't belong to any political party. And so I will encourage them to say, oh, you know,
isn't it only on paper? Assembly members, we know.
Yes.
Say move assembly parties here primaries. No mark contest.
But no say me person omunjina omunaso this time round. Omununu say sa decision na you take.
Okay, so omunjina omunaso they are no
yes, omunjina say be ya the place no be choke.
Though it is on paper, they are not able.
They are omuso case kakra. I thought that omudede na omu case kakra say how have we managed the trotros and the taxis that we have in the central business district, where they are standing and how we manage them? And so say ya hwani ya manage omu yenu mutimi ye in discipline. Said they're not PRAGYA for in discipline. Then they will make noise say but because of the numbers that we have, brah, say you share the numbers of tricycles you have in the system, now you can you name the actions and the way they behave now. Who runs central business district with your car? These are the action.
O support Brian Achampon in one straightforward answer.
Yes.
Are you for or against proxy voting?
Oh, I think say I am for what the party is saying.
Okay.
It should be banned because we are in a different territory. So numbers now you to about this time round. MPP. We are inviting former executives, former DCs, and the numbers that we are having now. A new territory. And so we are not going to allow anybody from outside because almost free about diaspora now must say the opportunity no.
Almost sika de mo pebo mo adwe
me hwade bi emire bi say numbers na ye de mo beto abani so. The party allowed them after the conference to increase the numbers.
Okay.
And now we are saying come down and vote. We are saying no, we cannot come. The moment we give them that opportunity to do proxy outside, those in Ghana will be one off or two about Usubi or delegate to Usubi. On Subi and I do proxy. Me and Dr. Berchampo, me dina ho. Now Obia me name very well or me constituency Subi. So ye be a Canada Japan and I said Baumia a campaign manager and also a delegate or a campaign man. No man who could have proxy me and sa no kwa and you so the Nina create bomb cranoa that polling box no. I'll come and kick it away. It will create confusion. And so we are saying say oh person wo to abani be this time round. Say the party nim die mu no any party election committee no enim die mu no come down and vote. If you are not ready, stay where you are.
Gabi, what's your take on PRAGYA for issue? No quick one. Then way through then we come and concentrate on the budget.
Council, I think say because of the training we are getting, we take everything from the legal point. The question is the business legal even from the first inception? You see, Kroma say na because ohia bema wadi de wuchiri. Because I be the wuchiri kura wudi was the mempe. The issue with tricycle business illegal per section 128, subsection 1, subsection 2, subsection 3. It is very illegal to use tricycle for commercial purposes.
The constitution is supposed to be a living organism.
You see, the LI 2180 now mandated this. Say, wouldn't mean for PRAGYA and your talk. What about Namura Ube to scanner? And run over subsection 4 na HWA 25 penalty fees. Back will be a 12 or multiplier. Utu an answer be called prison for not more than 30 days. This is the provisions of the law. Metiasia said now, traffic regulators and the ministry, they are trying to come out with allies. I mean, regulations a bit more regularized or more juma and illegal. I didn't hear because yentime mama bunejuma. So now acquire no home diabruni bi. Wa e mabunu no ntime mama modjuma. For whatever reasons, o ma find bibia illegal, but the usefulness of it to the bigger economy, you can't discount it.
Okay.
And see, acquire no say me ko twamu, but you see, that is why I have problems with politicians. Okay? NDC, me makacha you say, if you want to build a country, you need no crematimum for.
Okay.
Going into the 2024 elections, makacha said the Ghanaian populace are becoming discerning by the day. Sabe nyema bia na nka tetebim ni mfe bia atwam no onim no do akoto abatran eni obiem. So if you look at the defeat of the MPP, it shows a kind of thinking in the political space now. Enti do be ka bia na nipa no do onim say sa picketing or more any demonstration.
Yeah.
Do you know what has forward that thing? Now the protesters in PRAGYA for no money came issues. They are saying say the NDC government promised them say yebamo modjuma. And indeed, if you pick the 2020 manifesto of the NDC, page 93 of the 143 document, it was stated that the regularized Okada, comprising all this Pragyani, Abobo, whatever it is. You see, Abra Unim said the existing laws at the time. HSS anima way now for commercial purposes illegal.
Na omunim say illegal until no sure mo ba mo de mrabe tato na be legalize.
I mean, you see from your legal background, there is a policy rationale whilst the framework of the traffic regulation man illegal.
Okay.
Okay. We will not discount say Pragyia to make baby say the normal car 20 million enko. You will not discount any of those things. Motors, bikes, those better so. But you see, look at the crimes associated with some of these things. 2, business districts. You see, this is a certain some years back. Normally, if you go into any principal capitals, ingenious areas and places. I am a talk because it was built with some populations.
Yeah.
And to hear doom rules now, no, that was even bigger at the time. Yeah. Because now cars because all your traffic studies are trip distribution will warrant trip generation. And not how influences the lanes and the dimensions where a delay of transportation system. What I say? It's an independent space. Already the places are choked. Yeah. The offices, the people, cars, all these. It's also the auxiliary transport systems is a I hope they are more choked. Then the place might constitute nuisance. So, and they there. I don't know. Because if you look at it from the legal point,
so what is your point?
So
whether the usage of tricycle is illegal and as any illegal, it is in the system.
I think
it is in the system.
Yes.
One will not even be wrong. Say Obekwa police.
What I was suggesting.
Issues
what I was suggesting is they should find them a limit point off the business periphery because said the Akano. I know who you are, Bruni. We want to mean that's how they should find a limit point. And 2, the riders know. Omonti as I say, I don't know more. No, we been ti ohia as a munti. And I said their sense of entitlement no so cry no. They are almost turn off as if they, but they are illegal. But be binti a German fans so they should find a periphery around the business district for them. I mean, off drop points. Say won't even go beyond. Omeya a day. But those people also should not demand a change because already if you have to go by the strict laws, the application of our laws, maybe I can't 25 unit and if you say not less than
30. Jackson, and no crash much your mobile. Some of my mobile be a
man. Kaisi a share one say one near KMA air cannon. By your say, you shave a work no be it man, you man share the binity and share any bit me yet. The do's and the don'ts. What you say? Yanka say, ye ba came in man, ye bet to a good. You say ye buy it and share a good quam. I'm obedient me that you must send ye say, ne fata, I dear be so fun, I dear be ne fata, ne one limitations and the boundaries.
Okay.
nti no ho asɛm ne yɛkae nti mo misinterpret yɛ asɛm na yɛkae ne sɛ yɛsɛ mo wura ho kemi
until that time no na omo limit omo where they can operate, where they cannot operate.
Yes,
this a momo kan say mo ba mo bema mo de mra beta to na mo de mra ben na eta to am o ma ye de because you and I know say in opposition there were a lot of meetings between the PRAGYA associations.
Regularizing your operations means demarcating also your routes. I'll bet me yesu adwuma but just what to say,
yeah,
and then first no kwan ka motorway crowd the car be work kwan kan fa so nti yehwe the existing infrastructure, any emerging business trend, and how do we marry the two? In terms of the do's and the don'ts. Okay. I had the won't mean for I had the moment me akọ. But what must say? You would the anti-qua kwan bo ha say one way. Other than no drivers think I say traffic is in teaching before one way. And so the driver will drive oh. But then you come baby say one way. And you far away. Enti yanka sa na hyehyɛ ne sɛ a emerging trend of business eba the economic importance to the youth, the alternative livelihood system that is bringing to the youth enunti and you see the nhyebegu akwam na hyehyɛ no no beti ase sɛ untumi mfa nipa unum sa PRAGYA timi mfa nipa 5 babu mfa nipa 6 but then kasa seat e wo mu kasa 3 driver seat e kyerɛ mienu per seat arrangement no na e kyerɛ fat sɛ na taxi fa no na ni mu so ba kwa adwo so driver ne nche na cost balancing enti wo fa ba bi keto bi na mune na moda fom nti the do's and the don'ts say be mu no regulations be mu say wo de be ye adwuma de a wontimi fa nipa miensa risk involved ni nyina kan share ka say de be gu fom na mom for a start no yes central business district corona ka say mu chi dada nti mu so be ka ho a e be ye bibia wo ho na then KMA agi2 mu including more electoral areas assemblymen for ni nyina agi2 nti yan kaka say e ba mbe wura ho se mo bibi say munya mo be wura ho no mo a matter of petitioning the mayor now one for the stakeholders involved ni enye meetings ni ehwe the structural defect e de beba ye hwe ni nyina ansa ni akasa emra we ye de baaye na it me cure a certain challenge. Okay. And I think that we've overcome the challenge today in Tibet with modalities. Uber bed doom power a honey ha but honey the program to mean for her. See as I went holistically, Sanya Yano, but what mean I say NDC about power, Oto Obama NDC teaching Yamon Central Business District. A Comedian and also association, a petition mayor. Near him. Near feasibility study with the town and country planners in our input, Muslim input, alternative route, I bet me a creative idea. You bet me as a hack radio. PRAGYA Black Chroma Han one fa. Trot Trobian Super Chroma Han one fa. Nama and your man and bet me as I will be him, but force one person on the banner dear. As we speak now, the law is the law.
Okay, but I said the law is the law. Now, you better ask on your budget, no. This is your budget, and the me pesa me share say free.